You know how it works. Hey, I love you.
I love you.
Hey, show me your t-shirt. Who's that handsome fella on the front of your t-shirt right there?
That's my handsome hubby. Yes, that is Rat Rod.
It's an Appalachian Trail Rat Rod, RP Hot Rod Rat Rod t-shirt.
Yes.
With a biblical verse on it.
Yes.
And you supported the hike for the Appalachian Trail.
Yes.
Woo! Woo!
I did my mail call last night. It's on my camera. I haven't uploaded it yet.
Yeah.
But it's like, everyone needs to be doing their mail call. Yes, they've all got their t-shirts.
That's right. Well, I haven't uploaded this either, but I will. You want to do any happy dancing, or is that too much to ask? Whee!